is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire.
Well, we just have seen that the nuclei of hydrogen and deuterium are the mostly elements of the ashes from the Big Bang. They then form the primordial dust of the first galactic clouds. They will gather to create the first stars. And it is in the center of these first giant stars, where gravity is maximum, that the crushing effect will approach these nuclides them. However, instead of forming an unorganized amalgam, the binary base of two nuclide types, hydrogen and deuterium, will appear laminated layers of both elements as amilfuels. Because deuterium has a zero spin, it will work out in inert layers, while hydrogen, showing a spin more or less a half, will form rough layers obeying vector fields created by the giant star, which will guide the spins by pulsing effect. And following the direction changes of the spin fields into the heart of the first giant stars, the mini umbrella-shaped hydrogen beds will then come regularly rub the deuterium layers much more inert, by changing of position. Under these conditions of hypertension, intense friction between the nuclei of hydrogen and deuterium will then create tritium nuclei, or other heavy isotopes. However, tritium decays into helium-3 with emission of an electron, an end to neutrino and energy release following the present reaction. And although the helium-3 nuclide is stable, its non-zero spin takes him on specific layers, to suffer the same effects as hydrogen. And, therefore, it will come into contact with the deuterium layers to give helium-4 with neutron emission, with a huge release of energy. Consequently, thanks to strong gravity related to the enormous mass of the giant star, the first nuclear fusion reactions occur by friction effect. Spark reactions that will gradually warm up the heart of the giant star and lead to further nuclear reactions. So, it's from the cold ashes of the Big Bang that the first giant stars will light such galactic phoenix. But let us remember that this stellar ignition is only representative of the primordial stars. Thereafter, during the evolution of universe, subsequent generations of stars will then follow another ignition process.
If I was to say to you, girl, we couldn't get much higher, come on baby, light my fire.